Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck Outboard. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury White 300 Verado. This does have the oil check, all fill, and the quick Callan release system. This is going to have the sea deck on the back of the swim platform. Flip-flop seat. Also is on a slider, so you have plenty of deck space in the back once you're anchored up. As we enter the boat through the walk-through transom, you'll see a stereo remote control, a freshwater shower, and your battery switch and dual battery switches right here with both your breakers. Coming on in, you'll see a U-shaped seating in the back for all your guests. This does have a battery charger and a place for your cockpit table. You'll have a spacious in-floor storage. As we come here on the starboard side, you'll have a removable cooler. Over here on your port side, you'll have additional storage with your 2 table legs. As we come forward, you have a flip-flop seat. Same here at the helm. Also a flip-up bolster. This is a digital throttle and shift. And we've upgraded the Simrad digital dash, very large screen, flush mounted Fusion stereo, plug-ins for your Fusion stereo, and also USB here at the helm. Storage compartment, a head area that also folds down and makes a cabin to lay down inside. Here, walk-through transom on the port. You will have a bow block-off door. Windshield will completely close. And up here in the front, you'll see very spacious seating, and there's also a base for the table, for your second table. Forward, you'll have another freshwater sprayer and a beach boarding ladder. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.